Hi, it's Mike, and today I'm visiting Payam Data Recovery's lab in Rhodes, New South Wales to go behind the scenes and see how they recover data from a LaCie 2 big 20 terabyte external hard drive. I'm meeting with the owner, Payam Tulu, who's working on a case from David in Sydney. The drive wasn't being detected on his Mac despite trying a new power supply and cables. Payam explained that LaCie units with Thunderbolt or USB-C are usually set up as RAID 0 for speed, where data is split across both drives for performance. But RAID 0 means if one drive fails, all data is lost. The alternative is RAID 1, also called mirroring, where both drives contain identical data for redundancy. Payam removed both Seagate 10 terabyte drives and plugged them into his drive dock. Surprise! 2-time machine volumes mounted with identical data, about 6 terabytes on each. This was RAID 1, not RAID 0, which was an easy recovery. Payam plugged in a blank 10 terabyte drive, formatted it as Mac OS Extended Journaled Case Sensitive, the same formatting Time Machine uses, then used Carbon Copy Cloner to make a complete copy. This would take about 12 hours. This is what Payam calls a basic backup service, their most affordable option at $375 plus the cost of a new drive David purchased. Many Mac users can't plug into SATA drives themselves, so Payam handles it professionally. David got his data back in 2 days here at their Rhodes lab. The LaCie enclosure likely has a faulty RAID controller and will be sent for warranty replacement. Payam always offers free assessments. If it's quick and easy, they keep costs low. If you have a similar LaCie problem, contact Payam Data Recovery.